Hello everyone. Welcome to the KEYCOFFEE coffee class. I'm Shiho Yuki. Nice to meet you. Today, I'll be introducing some hints about how to brew with the siphon. First, let me show you the tools we need. Funnel. This is the part where the coffee grounds are pressed and combined with hot water, pushed up by steam pressure for steeping. Flask. This is where the brewed coffee is collected. Can. Hold the flask over the heat source. Height varies by size. Heat source. Halogen beam heater. Alcohol lamp. Gas burner. Please select according to the usage. Additionally, prepare a filter with its cross, a spatula, timer, and also a towel. Now, prepare your preferred coffee blend. We recommend lightly to medium roast coffee beans ground to a slightly fine consistency. I think we are ready. Prepare hot water and coffee grounds. For a 120 ml cup, use 12 grams of coffee grounds, 144 ml of hot water. Since the coffee grounds absorb about twice their weight in hot water, remember this formula. Finished volume plus ground coffee times 2 equals amount of hot water to use. Today, we will brew 2 cups, so we need 24 grams of coffee grounds and 288 milliliters of hot water. Let's brew. Make sure to thoroughly warm the equipment. One, pour water into the flask. Wipe off surface moisture, then place it on the heat source. Two, once the hot water boils, add the ground to the funnel, level them, and set the funnel onto the flask. 3. Once the hot water rises in the flask, use a spatula to press down and moisten the coffee ground, then start the timer for 1 minute. This is the brewing step. Four. Once the hot water rises, stir up and down. Then rotate in one direction to mix thoroughly. Ensure bubbles appear throughout. This is called the first stir. Stirring quickly creates 3 distinct layers: foam, grounds, and hot water. If the flask becomes too hot, the layers will break down. So adjust the heat source accordingly. 5. After 1 minute, turn off the heat source. Rotate the funnel in one direction again and stir the entire mixture. Once the foam appears, white and fine textured, stop stirring. This completes the second stirring step. The first stirring step releases gas from the coffee grounds, while the second stirring step is performed to enhance the coffee's richness and body. If the coffee grounds form a dome shape, they have been thoroughly stirred. Six. Once all the brewed coffee has dripped into the flask, the extraction is complete.
How did you find this? How to brew with a siphon? Siphon brewing at high temperatures yields a fragrant aroma, and these coffee oils are easily extracted. You can enjoy a smooth mouthfeel. Please give it a try. See you!